You run an e-commerce store with time-sensitive promotion opportunities, such as flash sales, new arrivals, and clearance discounts. Sending updates to all customers can be challenging, and it may result in some customers being missed. With BoldDesk outbound messaging, sales teams can send alerts to all customers at once, directly from the support system, via WhatsApp and Twilio SMS. This enables customers to view deals, ask questions, and complete purchases immediately, while the promotion is still active. In this video, you'll see how your team can proactively reach out to customers through WhatsApp and SMS directly from BoldDesk. To get started, I log into the BoldDesk agent portal as an agent. Then, I go to the chat module and navigate to the Outbound tab to open the Outbound Message Management section. Before sending outbound messages, make sure the messaging channels are configured. This unlocks the Outbound Message Management interface. I select the Send Proactive Message button to open a dialog box. Here, I enter a message title to help agents identify the purpose of the message. Next, I select the source channel, WhatsApp via MetaCloud, Twilio, or Gupshup, or SMS using Twilio. For this demo, I select Twilio SMS to inform customers about a limited-time discount, encouraging them to take advantage of a deal before it expires. The accounts linked to this channel are then displayed, where I can select the appropriate one. Next, choose recipients. You can select a single contact, multiple contacts, or contact groups. When sending to an individual contact, you can enable the Create Conversation checkbox to automatically create a conversation for tracking purposes, and click Next to continue. I compose the message by entering plain text to send to the customer. You can refine your response using AI. When WhatsApp is selected, agents can send approved template messages. There's also an option to attach a file up to 16 megabytes. I use the preview option to review the message, formatting, and recipient details. When everything looks good, I click Create. Similarly, proactive messages can also be sent directly from the contact's profile. From the Contacts module, I open a user profile, then either click the Send Message button in the top right or select the channel icon next to the customer's phone number. After sending messages, you can monitor them through Outbound Message Management. Click the View Details to see full delivery insights. And just like that, you've learned how to create and monitor proactive conversations using WhatsApp and SMS. With this approach, your team can reach customers faster, maintain full visibility, and track all interactions from a single platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and check out our other BoldDesk feature guides. Thanks for watching.